What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another video of trading to pay for college. This is the beginning of week 3. It's Monday, May 6th. And yeah, I appreciate all the engagement in the first video. If you guys haven't watched it yet, I encourage you guys to probably watch that one first, just because these videos are better watched in sequential order. But in this video, I'm going to be recapping last week since I didn't post a video last week or give any updates at all, which I apologize for, as well as a recap of today's trades from Monday, May 6th. And so this video will be posted out on Monday, and I'll have another video this Friday for trades taken in week 3 from Tuesday, May 7th to Friday, whatever date that is. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Again, the best way to support is to leave a comment. It doesn't even have to be a good comment, but it shows that you guys enjoy the video, and it's very encouraging for me to continue posting. So without further ado, let's get started into the week 2 recap, and I hope you guys enjoy. As you guys know, week 1 went pretty well for me, but week 2 went even better. I was very fortunate to take good trades pre and post FOMC. We had a lot of data pools, news events last week that moved the market a good amount, so you can see a lot of volatility. Obviously, like I said, FOMC, but also closing up, winding down of all the big tech earnings, notably Apple, which did really well and pushed the market up. As you can see here, I'm up about, well, this is not an accurate reflection. I'm gonna just pull up the monthly chart. I already did the calculation. I'm up about 2.75K, we'll say, for week 2, not counting today's profits. Today, Monday, that is. So we're up about 2.75K last week off of some great trades, like I said, pre and post FOMC. I won't discuss too much about them because, to be honest, I've forgot about most of the trades I took. I kind of take these trades day by day, play everything by ear, and so I don't completely memorize the trades that I took 5 days ago or whatever. But yeah, I just know a lot of bullish trades I took, and it worked in my favor. So let's fast forward to today. This is the start of week 3. I made about $500 today. You might be wondering why my account balance is relatively low at 3K, and that's because I've been withdrawing a good amount of money from my account. The goal here is to stay around 2.5K on my trading account. Being able to withdraw money, keeping my account size relatively small, protects me from these very large uncapped losses that I could potentially get. Tonight I'll do the same thing. I'll withdraw some money and keep my account balance below 3K, but I'm still profiting, of course. But yeah, today I went long on the markets. A key level I was discussing in the prior vids was 433.75 to 433.94, right there on Qs. And if you guys can see on the 1 hour time frame, on Thursday after hours and pre-market, this move was right here, and we ended up pushing up above this 433.94 area on Friday, May 3rd. And so we pushed, and then we rejected at my upper resistance, and we caught support at this level. So we broke above, and then we caught support, and then we pumped up. And so this was an incredibly great setup for me, and I was ultimately bullish coming into this week. So as you can see here, we kind of pushed above, rejected right there, bounced, caught support, and then we pushed up. And so Friday's candlestick was probably like a hammer candle, a very bullish candle. We closed really, really high, up on my 435.85 resistance area. And in the pre-market or the after hours of Friday, you can see us closing into my resistance zone and holding above that 435.85 area. And then fast forward to today, Monday, May 6th, pre-market. You can see us trending up towards the upper level of that resistance, and we actually opened the trading day today above 437.06, which was a very bullish signal for me because we opened up above my resistance. And I got a great entry at open, as you can see right here. Let me find it for you guys. Look at the 1 minute time frame, just just for visuals standpoint. We opened here. We ended up getting this nasty red wick on the 1 minute time frame, and a lot of times what you'll see on pivotal time frames, like the 30-minute, so like 8:30, which is when market opens for me, you'll see large moves to one side that are fake out moves. You can call them liquidity sweeps, and you can see us retrace very, very quickly. So if you look at the 5-minute time frame, you see a red candle right here, but it's a very, very bullish red candle because it's red, but it closes above 437.06. So clearly we're holding above there, and so this was a really, really good entry, and I targeted 438. Ultimately we got there. I sold most of my contracts here, had a trailing stop, and I got stopped out in the profit somewhere around here for the rest of my contracts, and so pretty happy with that. Again, my ultimate goal was to target 439, but these are very ambitious goals, and when you're trading lotto contracts, it's important to not get too greedy because especially you're not always going to get these 1% plus moves on indexes, and so I took my profits and I was happy with that. But you can see us hit that 439 area, kind of oscillate right here, and then just shoot above, which, like I said, very bullish. As far as the rest of the week goes, obviously there's still 4 days left in the trading week, so there's still a lot that can happen, but I'm going to be a bit more cautious now instead of blindly going long, just because here in this kind of open zone area where we're trending at highs on the NASDAQ, Qs for me, there's a lot of large moves up and down, so there's high transaction volume here, a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and the move isn't completely certain, so I'm going to be a bit cautious. I'm expecting my profit per day to be a little bit diminished, right? I can't expect to make 500 every single day because it's not sustainable, at least for my portfolio. So we'll see how the rest of the week goes, but I want to be a bit cautious. I've made a good amount of money, but I want to make sure I don't lose it all. So we'll see how the rest of the week goes. Like I said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this breakdown, this recap. I won't do it every single day just because, as you can see, it takes a while, and it can get a bit boring probably. But if you guys like this type of content, let me know, and appreciate you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys on Friday for the week 3 recap. Real quick before we log off, my goal for this entire challenge and posting videos is to be transparent. So I decided, I guess I'd show you guys, this is my summer tuition balance. This is how much I owe for this school year, or this summer. I'm taking 2 classes, 6 credits. It's about 2.2K, so it's not, I wouldn't say it's crazy a lot, but it's pretty expensive. And it's not because I'm failing classes, which you guys might think, but more so to just graduate earlier. So first 2 weeks made about 4K, and that 4K will get put into good use right now. So I'll go ahead and pay this off. I always have so many expenses, not just for tuition, but also housing, right? Living in my own apartment. So this challenge is very relevant to my day-to-day, and hopefully we can continue making more money so that I don't have to get drowned out in debt. So yeah, I'll see you guys on Friday.